This might start out kind of odd.
Mm-hmm.
What we have that I think that other companies don't have to offer is our people.
You're looking for a different kind of person.
You should have given me all of this early on so I could come up with some answers.
Okay, so let's roll. John, how did you end up at Benning?
I felt that going to work for a larger company would not give me as much of a chance to stand out from the crowd. I really feel like at Benning, we all know each other. Everybody at least knows who is who and what everybody's doing, and that's a big thing for me.
Benning may seem like a small company, but I had come on board in 2015, and after a couple of months working here, stepped onto the job site of a $20 million project.
Be sure to get my best side.
You look beautiful.
Or this side.
You look beautiful.
I want to be a star. My boss was like, here it is. I trust you. Go do it.
I feel like I've been granted an opportunity that I would not have at any other company. I started out when I was 14 years old on a farm, moved up from there into residential construction.
What about when you were shoveling horse?
I used to shovel.
You?
No.
Down the street.
Down the street.
Some of the other companies I work for, I was so used to being talked down to because I'm low man on totem pole. But here, they make you feel that what you do counts.
They are a company that is forgiving. If you make a mistake and you own up to it and you learn from it, they're not going to just fire you because you made a mistake.
It's a big company, small feel. It's just not about the workplace, it's about relationships you build within the company.
I do feel like I can be myself around everyone here. It's really easy to be comfortable because everybody kind of keeps a smile on their face, so it's easier for me to come out and smile too, joke around, laugh.
There is so many different personalities, and what's so great is that everybody seems to just kind of mesh really well together.
Being a woman doesn't make a difference. I'm one of the guys.
At Benning Construction, there is no cookie cutter image.
Would you be an example of somebody who's not a cookie cutter?
Why, whatever do you mean? Surely you jest.
Benning Construction Company is 100% employee owned. It does more than just provide a retirement for us. It creates a culture of working together and working for each other and working for ourselves, and it's something you can sense across the corporate culture. I know these days that a lot of companies say our people are our biggest asset or our people are why you would want to come work. But at Benning, it's really the truth. The folks that we have, they like to build.
We're going to go all the way around the back. We start these guys out young so we can take them through the process and teach them how to build a building.
I just turned 19.
You can go ahead and cut it.
Nathan and Ryan are teaching me how to be a superintendent, learning plans, learning the ups and downs about construction.
Chip it out along the grout line so it comes out easier.
Easier?
Yeah.
There was a career fair at the high school, and then I was like, construction. I like to see things done, build from the ground up.
It's very satisfying to see a building come out of the ground that you've worked for months on end on.
I was working at Cristo Rey High School, and we'd been out in hot, dirty conditions working for several months. And they started bringing the students through. And the excitement on those kids' faces just said it all.
Viva Cristo Rey!
At the end of the day, I don't really think that it matters what size building you build, whether it's a beautiful building or it's a box retail store. It's not about how fancy it is of the building, it's how successful we are at what we do.
Building a building, regardless of what it is, for people to use every day, it's an amazing feeling.